Are you tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers that seem to take forever to get the job done? If so, it's time to upgrade your toolkit with an electric screwdriver. These powerful and efficient tools can significantly speed up your projects. Whether you're assembling furniture, performing DIY repairs, or tackling home improvement tasks. In this guide, we'll explore the best electric screwdrivers available on the market today, highlighting their features, benefits, and what to consider when choosing the right one for your needs. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Black+Decker Screwdriver, our find for best budget electric screwdriver. Are you in search of a reliable companion for your DIY projects that won't break the bank? The Black+Decker electric screwdriver is the ideal solution for all your light-duty tasks. Its innovative variable grip design allows you to seamlessly transition between inline mode, perfect for tight spaces, and a comfortable pistol grip for larger projects. Powered by a 4-volt 1.5 ampere-hour battery, this screwdriver provides ample strength for tasks such as hanging artwork, changing signage, or tackling those small repairs around the house. Weighing just 1 pound, it's lightweight enough to handle for extended periods, ensuring your hands and arms remain comfortable during your work. The built-in light feature is another practical touch. It illuminates your workspace to help you see clearly, and it functions as a flashlight for those moments when you need to locate tools or materials in dim conditions. While it may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications, it's perfectly designed to tackle everyday jobs with ease. If you're ready to enhance your toolkit with a dependable, user-friendly, and cost-effective electric screwdriver, look no further. This tool makes your home improvement projects more manageable and enjoyable, transforming what used to feel like hard labor into a rewarding experience. Investing in the Black+Decker electric screwdriver means you're one step closer to completing your DIY goals efficiently and effectively. Number 4. Black+Decker Pivoting Handle, our find for best electric screwdriver for furniture assembly. Are you looking for the perfect tool to simplify your flat-pack furniture assembly? The Black+Decker driver is the reliable companion you need. With a modest 4 volts of power, it's designed to handle delicate materials like particle board with care, ensuring your new bookshelf stays intact. Featuring a maximum speed of 180 revolutions per minute, this driver allows you to drive screws effortlessly without the risk of overdriving fasteners. You can tackle assembly tasks confidently, and the ingenious spindle lock lets you easily switch between manual and powered operation. If you encounter a stubborn screw, you can loosen it by hand and let the driver help finish the job, making the process seamless. The pivoting handle enhances your maneuverability, allowing you to reach tricky angles and tight spots with ease. This means you won't struggle with your furniture. Instead, you'll navigate the assembly process like a pro. Weighing just 1 pound, the driver is lightweight, ensuring your hands remain comfortable even during lengthy assembly sessions. Additionally, it comes with 2 bits, providing everything you need to get started right away. Upgrade your furniture assembly experience with the Black+Decker driver and turn the challenge of assembling flat-pack furniture into a straightforward and enjoyable task. Turn your DIY projects into successes with this essential tool by your side. Still searching for the perfect electric screwdriver? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Bosch PS21, our find for best heavy-duty electric screwdriver. Are you in need of a heavy-duty electric screwdriver that combines power and space-saving design? The Bosch electric screwdriver is an excellent choice for anyone looking to tackle a variety of tasks, from assembling furniture to engaging in more ambitious DIY projects. With a remarkable top speed of 350 revolutions per minute in one mode and a peak performance of up to 1,300 revolutions per minute in another, this tool is designed for versatility. You'll appreciate the impressive torque output of 30 Newton meters, which empowers you to handle a range of fasteners with ease. The kit includes 2 12-volt 2 ampere-hour batteries, a charger, and a reliable carrying case, offering everything you need without any unnecessary frills. The standout feature, the 20-position clutch, significantly reduces the risk of stripping screws or over-tightening, especially when working on smaller electronics. Experience the efficiency of the Bosch as it drives screws quicker and smoother than many competitors. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice power, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. The 2 ampere-hour batteries provide longer runtime compared to the standard 1.5 ampere-hour options found in other models, ensuring you're equipped for longer tasks. Additionally, the ergonomic rubber grip enhances comfort during extended use, making it easier to complete projects without fatigue. If you seek a reliable partner for all your fastening needs, the Bosch electric screwdriver offers a perfect blend of strength and precision, ready to assist you in every endeavor. Number 2. DEWALT FLEXDRIVE, our find for best inline electric screwdriver. Are you seeking a reliable tool that can enhance your assembly tasks? Look no further than the DEWALT FLEXDRIVE electric screwdriver, designed to elevate your work efficiency and comfort. This innovative screwdriver boasts a unique 360-degree control feature that allows for smooth, button-free operation. You'll experience greater flexibility with the slide-to-drive collar, letting you tackle various assembly applications effortlessly. With a powerful maximum torque of up to 44 inch-pounds and the option for manual finishing torque of up to 124 inch-pounds, this tool is built for professional performance, ensuring that you can handle both light and heavy-duty tasks with ease. The DEWALT FLEXDRIVE excels in speed and efficiency, delivering up to 360 revolutions per minute of no-load speed. Its 2 ampere-hour integral battery allows you to drive up to 680 screws on a single charge, making it perfect for both extensive projects and everyday tasks. Additionally, you have complete control over your work with a 6-stage torque adjustment feature, allowing you to match the power output to the specific application at hand. This thoughtful design ensures precision and minimizes the risk of damage while working. Invest in the DEWALT FLEXDRIVE electric screwdriver today and experience a tool that truly meets your needs for efficiency, power, and versatility. Your projects will not only be easier, but also more enjoyable to complete. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Dewalt Gyroscopic, our find for best electric screwdriver overall. Are you tired of struggling with screws and feeling like your projects are an uphill battle? The Dewalt electric screwdriver could be the solution you need. This 8-volt tool isn't just another gadget. It's equipped with a powerful DEWALT Max battery pack that charges quickly and lasts for days, ensuring you're always ready to tackle your next DIY project without interruption. What truly sets this screwdriver apart is its innovative gyroscopic technology. You can intuitively control the screw driving process by simply turning your wrist, right to drive screws in, left to back them out. With a speed capacity of up to 430 revolutions per minute and 15 adjustable torque settings, you have the precision and power required for any task at hand. Ergonomics are also a key focus of this design. You can easily switch between a comfortable pistol grip or inline grip, allowing you to work efficiently in tight spaces. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, ensuring you won't overlook any screws or corners. The kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a durable carrying bag, making it easy to transport and store your tools. Just remember to pick up some bits to complete your setup. With the DEWALT electric screwdriver, you can elevate your DIY skills and confidently embrace home improvement projects, becoming the go-to fixer in your household. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which electric screwdriver you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.